Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode with a main dish and two side dishes, I'm making a very easy full menu. First we're gonna make sautéed oyster mushrooms with vegetables. It's a rich and flavorful side dish. And as a main dish, I'm making chicken drumstick with potato. I'm gonna fry them in a pan. It's very easy. In no time it will be ready to cook. It's gonna be so easy and delicious. So let's make it. I have about 1 kilogram 7 drumstick. I'm pricking them a couple of times so they can soak the marinade better. And for the marinade I'm adding teaspoon each red pepper flakes, biber, black pepper, oregano, curry, and again full 1 teaspoon tomato paste, 2 cloves of garlic, about 3-4 tablespoons vegetable oil, and give it a good mix. Rub all the mixture to the chicken, cover and let it sit in the fridge at least 3-4 hours if you have time, or up to overnight. For the sautéed mushrooms, I have about 500 grams mushroom. We call this İstiridye Mantarı. It translates as a oyster mushroom, but the photo on Google doesn't seem same, so give me a comment if you know the exact name. I'm gonna use about 3-4 red onions to give extra flavor. Make sure to use widest pan available. Adding about 3 tablespoons each vegetable and olive oil, and going to sauté the onions. Meanwhile, I want to thank to my members for joining to my membership program to support the channel and being a part of it. I cannot wait to make my first online classes especially for the membership program. I'm gonna roughly slice my mushrooms. They're gonna reduce so it doesn't have to be very small. But normally first I had to add my green peppers, but I forgot and begin with the mushroom next. So it would be better if you continue with the green peppers first. My heat is very high, and when I realized the green peppers, I placed a room for them in my pan so they can get the heat first without being too juicy, and also added some red peppers, kapya peppers from the freezer, and after a couple of minutes I mixed them all again. Next, the tomatoes. It is still not the season. The tomatoes are expensive, so I added only 1 after peeling. But if it's the season, you can add even more. It's gonna make more tasty. Some salt and couple of cloves of garlic. And to give some more flavor and color, I added about a teaspoon tomato paste, drizzled some olive oil to saute a little bit, and then mixed everything back again. Drizzle some water, not too much, about half cups, and oregano, and about a teaspoon butter, and let it cook, simmering until the mushrooms are soft. As a final touch, I sprinkled some red pepper flakes, biber, And my sautéed mushroom is done. As a side dish, I'm gonna make a Bulgur wheat Bulgur Pilav with vermicelli pasta. It is similar to rice pilav with orzo pasta I shared with you. You just brown the pasta first and then saute the Bulgur wheat. Add the water. I wanted to flavor it with some bay leaves and cook it until soft. I'm gonna share its recipe in another episode so you can find it easily in the archive. For the chicken drumstick with potatoes and peppers, I'm heating up my cast iron white pan and going to first fry the drumsticks. After about 10 minutes, I turn them over. Make sure the skin is still intact because it prevents the meat from drying out. And place the meat parts on the outer side so they will look prettier. And now we're gonna place the potatoes between the drumstick. To the same bowl, I marinate my chicken. I cut the potatoes in wedges and mix it well to get the sauce and the seasonings and stuck them between the chicken drumsticks. Next, I have some green peppers. Would be better if they are small like this, in the same size of the chickens. Place them along with onion wedges. And finally, I'm not leaving the bowl again. To get every bit of the marinade, I just drizzled some water and pour over my chicken to cook on a low medium heat. It takes about not more than 20 minutes to cook. Check with a knife and it's ready. If you want to brown the top, you can broil on high for about 10 minutes in the oven. You can complete the menu with some cacık, shredded cucumbers and yogurt, or some shepherd salad, simply tomatoes and cucumbers cut in cubes, and enjoy your meal. Personally, sometimes I skip the salad part and just serve a plain yogurt with the dishes, but we usually have our dessert, and this time it was easy strawberry cake with ladyfingers that I shared in the previous episode. So I hope you try and enjoy my menu with your family and friends. Don't forget to share your comments with me. I have many other chicken recipes and menu ideas on my channel. Check the links down below for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.